Even another. Experiencing issues with the hotel Wi-Fi. Five seconds. Good day, Hotel Felicity. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I can't seem to work my Wi-Fi in my room, and I tried connecting a couple of times, but it still won't work.
I apologize that you're having trouble with the Wi-Fi, ma'am. Let's see if we can get this sorted out. Can you please confirm that you entered the correct connection and password?
Yes, I double checked it, and it still won't work.
Alright, let's try a few things. Could you please try restarting your device?
Yes, I've already done that.
If that doesn't work, sometimes a simple router's restart can help. Would you mind waiting a couple of minutes while I check on that?
Okay, just making sure to work it this time.
We've just restarted the router in your area, ma'am. Can you try connecting again and see if that resolves the issue?
Okay, let me give it another shot. Hey, miss, it's still not working. Could you please give me another alternative that I can connect to? I still have a lot of work to do.
Oh, it looks like we need to investigate this further, ma'am. Would you mind if I contact our IT department to check the network status? And in the meantime, if you need to access anything urgently, we can provide you with a wired connecting internet in your room.
Okay, that would do. Thank you so much.
You're very much welcome, ma'am.